Are you tired of the same old vacation spots? Looking for a new adventure in 2024? Well, look no further than Mexico. This vibrant country is filled with diverse landscapes, rich culture, and delicious cuisine that will leave you wanting more. From the bustling streets of Mexico City to the tranquil beaches of Tulum, there is something for everyone in Mexico. Explore ancient ruins like Chichen Itza and Teotihuacan, or relax in the crystal clear waters of the Riviera Maya. The options are endless. But it's not just the natural beauty that makes Mexico a must-visit destination. The people are warm and welcoming, the music is lively, and the art is breathtaking. You'll be immersed in a world of color and excitement at every turn. So why wait? Start planning your trip to Mexico today and experience all that this incredible country has to offer. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, or a beach bum, Mexico has something for everyone. Don't miss out on the adventure of a lifetime. Book your trip now and get ready to make memories that will last a lifetime.